Breakthrough cases on the Cape. Officials in Provincetown are seeing a spike in new infections, and many of them are people who have been fully vaccinated. The cases are concerning as the height of vacation season hits the Cape. But as Kristina Rex shows us, officials say they're actually not surprised.
We know of one house here in Provincetown where all 9 people staying for the holiday weekend, all vaccinated, contracted COVID, and those are not the only cases. There's little doubt the summer of 2021 has brought tourism back to Provincetown.
It was very busy.
We have never, ever seen the A House line look like this.
The 4th of July especially busy at popular spots like the A House and Boat Slip.
This is madness. This is what this summer is like.
And since then, roughly 25 people who were here for the holiday have tested positive for COVID-19. The catch? The large majority of them were fully vaccinated.
You never expect yourself to necessarily be in that category, but I became one of those unlucky breakthrough cases.
Travis Dejanay was here for the weekend with friends and tested positive this week after experiencing symptoms like a cold and fever. He says he fears 25 cases is just the tip of the iceberg.
Hearing basically by the minute at this point of more and more breakthrough cases emerging from people who were in Provincetown last week doing similar things that I was. And I do fear that the worst is yet to come.
Barnstable County health experts say the small outbreak makes sense given the geography.
It is a small area, and they do get a lot of tourists from all over the country. And I would say over half of the reported positive cases have been short-term visitors.
So far in our entire state, out of the more than 4 million people vaccinated, roughly 4,500 have gotten COVID and 77 have died.
It's definitely starting to trend on the social media.
Locals say they're slightly concerned but comforted by evidence the vaccines are working.
But the good news is that it sounds like everyone's having really, really mild symptoms. So we're really grateful for that. And thankfully, the vaccination rate, at least for the people who do live here, is really, really high.
And the state's Vax bus will be here in town on Wednesday for a pre-planned mobile vaccination clinic. In Provincetown, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.